Outside this time with the Xiang F112S. Reminder that this is a Bell AH-1 Cobra that I flew inside recently and flew really well on optical flow, but this has GPS. So I'm going to use that this time and try with stabilisation on and off and see how well it flies. Let's give it a go. Right, radio transmitter on. And put locked on, and we're going to put it in middle position for GPS mode, leave it in auto. Hold down the button on the battery. You wait until the 4 LEDs light up and then release the button, and then we're ready. So this number here, 00 at the moment, tells us the number of satellites that the GPS module in the helicopter can see. Currently 0, so we just have to wait. Okay, so now we've got 10 satellites. That took a couple of minutes. It'll be quicker the next time we turn on, but always the first turn on, switch on of the day, it takes a little bit longer. All right, so beep, confirming that we have what we need to take off. So here we go. So we go unlocked and sticks down into the outside. Little bit of up on the left stick. And we're up. And because it's GPS enabled, it just stays over the spot. Even in the breeze that we've got. So with stabilisation on, very easy to fly. Now what we can do is go to different rates. So switch to high mode. It shows us we're in high mode on the radio transmitter. A lot more speed. Oh, that's good. Okay, let's try manual. This is without stabilisation. It flies as the same, really. If I take my hands off the sticks, it's drifting. So it's turned that GPS hovering off. So if we turn that back on, then hands off the sticks, it doesn't drift anymore. Let's go over here and see what the auto landing does. So we've got switch on the bottom. We just I'll tell you what we'll do first. We're going to do auto figure of 8, see if that works. Yeah, so nice figure of 8. Turn that off by flicking the switch down. And what we can also do is flick the switch down for auto circuit. So let's go out a bit. And flick it down. That's nose in auto circuit. Turn that off. Let's try auto landing. Flicking down on that switch. And it lands about 1 metre away, which isn't too bad, is it? Accuracy is quite good. So there you go, that's Xiang F112S Bell AH-1 Cobra outside, and tried all the features there: GPS, stabilisation on and off, figure of 8, auto circuit, nose in circuit, and return to home and landing, and worked really, really well. So thanks for watching Essential RC. Link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.